And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Alan Shoemaker.
Hey, it is a holiday weekend, sort of the unofficial end of summer, I guess you could say, is what we usually say for Labor Day around the country, but there still is more summer left. But later on, we'll be tracking more in detail a cold front for next week, so stick around for that later on. We'll kind of talk about Labor Day right now. Labor Day is coming up, and the weekend, well, not the driest weekend, but it won't be a total washout. I think Saturday is your best chance to get wet. Highs will be knocked down a bit with mostly cloudy skies, about a 60% chance for rain during the day, still maybe a few showers at least in the evening. But Saturday is your best chance to get wet, and highs in the 80s to near 90 degrees. Sunday back in the low to mid 90s, and still roughly about a 40% chance for rain on Sunday. But Monday for actual Labor Day, mainly dry with mainly partly sunny skies again, and back up in the 90s. Hot and still a little breezy today. Still the hot weather that we had yesterday carrying over into today, but rain chances high as Friday and Saturday. I think we hit the peak of the hottest weather yesterday, and we're starting to cool off a little bit today, but not a lot. 92 in McAllen right now, 95 in Rio Grande City. Upper 80s along the coast. The heat index, how hot it feels, still kind of up there a bit. Still feels like it's over 100 in spots. 102 in McAllen, even 109 in Rio Grande City. Now you look at the first 1.5 Doppler Network, and there's almost no rain in the valley. There's moisture increasing, which could spark a couple showers and storms this afternoon. We showed you earlier there's more rain offshore. Probably not all of this will come rushing in today, but as this moisture moves westward, we could see a couple more showers and storms form this afternoon and into the evening hours before sunset, before things mostly quiet down tonight. But before then, there's not a lot out there right now. If you look closely, though, zoom in a little bit. Let me zoom in and show you that there are a couple showers and even a weak storm already forming in western Willacy County, coming into eastern Hidalgo counties. Just in the last few minutes, a flare-up of a couple showers and storms, weak ones, just east of Monte Alto. So there's the latest view of it, and we'll zoom in even a little tighter to show you that, again, a couple of lightning strikes there. This is mostly just east of Monte Alto. Well, I'm getting really close there. You get the idea. Zoom out a little bit. Just southeast of Delta Lake, the storm moving off to the west. It looks like about 15 miles per hour. Now, again, the rain is out there, but mostly still well offshore. It should come in more force tomorrow. Here's Futuretrack, and again, it shows maybe a shower or storm in spots today, but as the clouds build up, just kind of watch the skies off to your east. If it's getting dark, there might be a quick shower or storm rolling in. By tonight, most things calm down. There might be a shower in spots overnight, but generally not much rain. Then tomorrow, watch how the map fills up with rain a little more quickly tomorrow, and showers and storms could pop up here and there as the day goes on. But overall, the chances of rain highest tomorrow, and then fade away some tomorrow evening, but still maybe a few showers for your Saturday night plans. And then Sunday, there's still enough moisture around, so maybe a shower and storm in spots, but probably not as busy as Saturday. I think overall rainfall amounts through the weekend will generally stay under an inch or two, but Saturday could be the day when you get the hardest rain downpour on you. So kind of, again, watch the skies on Saturday. And by Monday, we get into Monday, and we're back to Monday morning and afternoon. You see not much coming back our way. So actual Labor Day on Monday, probably the driest day if you want to have a safe barbecue outside. Still, there's a small chance of a shower or storm in the afternoon, but probably 90% of the area is going to be dry and partly to mostly sunny and back in the 90s. So kind of like it has been, just maybe not quite as hot. The first 1.5 AccuWeather forecast today, 96 for a high, partly cloudy skies. A shower or storm possible, not widespread rain, but as you saw, there's already a little thunderstorm east of Monte Alto popping up, and there could be a few more as the afternoon goes on. By tonight, we're dropping down into the upper 70s with maybe a shower or storm still in some areas, especially, I think, in the evening hours before everything mostly quiets down. And coming up in your first 1.5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast, notice the first 3 days still looking fairly warm. We cool on Saturday because of the increased cloud cover and the rain. Some areas may not get out the 80s on Saturday, but cooler than today. Sunday still fairly hot and in the 90s. The chances of rain drop off for the most part by Monday, and most of the day on Tuesday, highs in the 90s. Notice, though, we'll be talking more about this later. A cold front moves into Texas next Wednesday. That front fairly strong, very strong for this time of year. I mean, it's still summer. It looks like it will have enough force to move into South Texas. Could blow through here with breezy and cooler weather on Thursday and highs in the 80s. Some of the models say if it stays cloudy enough, we may have a hard time even getting out of the 70s for a while on Thursday. So you kind of want to watch Thursday for a sudden change. That is going to be, if that works out, an early season treat with a drop in temperatures late next week and some showers. Probably your best bets for rain are Saturday, Sunday, and again next Wednesday. So We'll be tracking your Labor Day weather in more detail. Have a look at the tropics and that cold front later on this hour coming up, and your first 1-5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at noon.